And hockey continues to grow across Northeast Wisconsin, and the Cornerstone Community Center in De Pere is expanding to keep up with demand.
But we were able to play all the way through COVID, which created about a 25% increase in players for us into a place that was already full. So we're really busting at our seams, and our inability right now to be able to expand programs has been our problem. So we haven't been able to grow as much as we would, as much as demand is actually requesting for right now.
To help meet that demand, the Cornerstone Community Center is building a fourth sheet of ice, part of a $23 million expansion project.
We're probably a little over halfway through our building process. We've got a roof on, we've got lights up. You can start to see the building starting to take shape on the inside.
Leaders say the new arena will give more local kids the opportunity to play the sport.
We need the ice sheet for all of our youth programs, so 90% of the games that are going to get played over there is going to be 9, 10, 11, 12-year-olds. But we've got the capacity now to bring large events to Green Bay. Some of the mid-size events that are not quite big enough for the Resch Center will fit perfectly into the new arena here.
Local college coaches say getting more young players involved is key to growing the game.
And to get more kids in the sport, it's unbelievable. Obviously, we feel we're very passionate about it, and if we can introduce that passion to these young kids and continue to grow the sport, it's a great opportunity.
The expansion project will also allow Green Bay to host more events and tournaments, something coaches say benefits the entire hockey community.
Hockey continues to grow, development continues to grow, both at the youth levels and our college level, to be able to end up providing a first-rate experience for them. It's so exciting to be able to see it take place.
And the new expansion, which will be called the Schneider Family Arena, is expected to open its doors by the fall of 2026.